Alright, hi again everyone. This is my second video. Again, second Jan 2026. This year I've decided to join this YouTube thing. I'm new by the way at YouTube. I've been just viewing other people's content, other people's analysis. But for some time, with my 1 year experience in Forex, I'm now confident enough to show you my chart, Now, this is my outlook on gold. I'm not going to delay to yapping here. So, gold, as you see, on our monthly scale, it has been buying, gold since our childhood. Because me, I'm a person born on now. Let me see. I'm a person who's integrated by God 2004, I think. 2004. From since my childhood, gold has been buying, gold has been this asset which keeps value. So it's not a coincidence to see gold on 4K. We might even soon see it might go this year, next year, not even this Jan or other months, following months. I'm expecting gold to go on 5K, as you see, that's my target. I expect gold to buy more, no retracing, no retracing. See, gold has a tendency of keeping value. Yeah. Now, let me give you a new chart. XAU, USD. Yeah, let's go. XAU, USD. Let me try get another chart. I've been using Rwanda. Now let me use FXCM. Yeah, I've been using Forex Chrome, but I'm going to use FXCM. Yeah, down here. You see, I've added two, but let me use this down now. So this is gold on my monthly time frame. As you see, it's been buying aggressively. Yeah, are you seeing it? So right now, our recent utmost high is right here at $4,550 per ounce, So our monthly low has been here. Previous monthly low. Are you seeing our previous monthly low? Right here, this point. Let me try to reduce the pixels here. So the pixel, I want to be the pixels. Let it be one pixel, I think. So this is our recent low. Sorry. Our recent low here. Let me try to put a text there. So this is our previous monthly low. Are you together? Our previous monthly low. From that point, yeah. Thank you. So our previous monthly low. So this is our new month here. This month is called January 20. So this is December. This is November. Following other previous months. So as you see, market. Let me go to the weekly time frame. Are you seeing at the previous monthly low? There is a zone there. This is big time. This is a weekly zone, a weekly order block, a weekly. I think so. I expect market to come back. Gold respects their value gaps, but sometimes leaves them back. As you see this area here, gold left this behind. But gold does those small retracements, those small retracements. It's what I want us to catch. So in order to see this, as you see this week here, this week of the current week, this one, that retracement, I want us to be able to trade that week. I'm going to go to that daily. Are you seeing the previous monthly low? Below the previous monthly low is our low, our structure low. Are you seeing the structure low right here? You're going to ask me why this structure low is there. It was filling a fair value gap, a small one, fair value gap here. Are you seeing This is a fair value gap that is that beautiful. In order to understand why gold comes back, you have to be well experienced. Yeah, am I at par? Well experienced with gold. So the times I've seen gold doing this, it comes back. Let me show you. Let me show you this previous price action. It comes back for a fair value gap. There, are you seeing perfect one? Is it perfect? That it comes back for the fair value gap before breaking the recent utmost high. This is the recent utmost high. I see. It comes back for liquidity there. Then after picking the fair value gap, it leaves us with a zone, a perfect demand zone, perfect order block here, right here. After picking the liquidity, the reason for picking the fair value gap is picking liquidity. Gold moves with liquidity and fundamentals. Usually. Now, this is a good demand zone or daily order because this is a daily order block. So when the market comes back, usually enter the long position. No, not saying at what. No, usually enter. Usually enter. This is a long position. Usually enter. Yeah. So the take profit has to be on the recent high. I seeing this. So that is profits. Stop loss there. I see. This strategy works for people with big accounts. You see, with tight, you won't be able to see this while you're trading lower time frames. No. Simple strategy. So the same thing is repeating here with our recent high right here. I think this. The market came, I think, for our fair value gap there. I think the fair value gap right here. After the fair value gap, immediately after the fair value gap, the market gave us a zone. I see a perfect one, a perfect order block. Are we together? I think this. After giving us a perfect order block, are we together? We enter a long position right here. Take profit. Are you doing this? So I'm now gaining love for this pair. I think this. I think the price action here. I think. Now I want us to see this area here. I think at the recent utmost high, the current utmost high, current one, there is a certain zone there. So the market came back. Remember, after breaking this high, it did not retest. It came back, instead of retesting, it violated the whole high. Now it's coming back for our zone here. So this is the way magic is going to happen from. I want us to buy. I want us to sell to this, from this area here. I want us to get an area to sell from. So this is a small zone, small profits here that I gave from. Remember, we are now in 1 hour. Small profits there. I want us to sell. When I get my fib zone, remember the market is going up, but this time I'm targeting for a sale. Are we together? I'm targeting for a sale, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to get our fib retracement from that zone to the recent low. 1 hour. Are you seeing how this retracement aligns with my zone? I'm not becoming God of fear, but it's somehow aligning. The golden zone, the 61.80%, yeah, it's aligning with my entry. I'm somehow gaining confidence to sell this, to sell gold to our demand zone right here, down. Yeah, I see. Are we together? Remember, I drew this zone on this time era. I see. Okay, let me show you this again. Let me show you this again. When I draw my fib from this low, sorry, when I draw my fib retracement, it's right here. From this low to our current high. The order block, that order block there. Oh no. It's the order block. The order block right there aligns with my 50 retracement zone. Yeah? Aligns with my 50 retracement zone. I'm talking about gold. Gold is so volatile. So I expect it to come back a little. Yeah, I expect the retracement. So I told you at the beginning of this video, I want us to be able to trade this retracement here. Are we together? This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a small sale. Yeah? Like a small sale that's going to make us profits. Which is at this zone. When I draw the fib level right from here down, I see it aligns well with our zone. It aligns well with our zone, the golden zone. It aligns well. Sorry. It aligns well with our zone right here. From the recent high to the recent low. It aligns well with our zone. That's why I'm looking for a mini short position, a risk one, a mini short position to this zone. Am I with you guys? A mini short into this zone. The stop loss has to be immediately above, because we are battling with the trade, and I'm so stupid to battle with this. But somehow, you see, if you know market structure very well, I see up, down. So this is a valid low. The market created a high. Am I with you guys? A high here. It came back. At the exact point here, people wanted to buy from this low. Market has no. The market broke that low. If you see if you're a good narrator, very well. The market broke that low, came back, gave us the now it's going to induce this high here. Comes back here, we drop to the downside because gold has bought for we drop to our area here. Yeah, so this is my story on gold. Let me hope it's very clear. I don't want you guys to say the chart was so no. The chart is very there. That's the zone. That's level there. I want us to be able to sell from that level. Right together. That level. Then we shall look for the buys. We look for the buys from that level. Are we together? Yeah. So this is January. I expect January to sell some gold because January is somehow safe, except there's some fundamentals that affect it, but that's noise. Yeah? I want us to all to focus here, down here. Yeah. Let me end this video right here. So that is it. I'm looking for a sale. Yeah. I'm looking for a sale from that zone to the downside. Maybe the market will come back to our zone here because it left us with a Miyaka zone here, right here, and this is a valid low now. This low here because it created a break of market structure, so the market has to retrace back and fail. So this gap here, so down here we see a good zone right here. Let me first move this buy. Move this. You see the market created a good zone below the previous monthly low. When you go back to the monthly time frame, history wise, I see gold has a tendency of selling. No, it's not going to buy forever. It will somehow sell Yeah, are you seeing those black candles there? They are sales and full months of sales. So I expect somehow this has been a long stretch up. I see. I expect a week, at least a long week to the downside, at least up to this point here. Then we continue with our buys. Yeah, that is it. That's what I'm expecting gold to do. I expect it to sell somehow to this zone. This one. We buy from there. But the sale is right there. That's the signal I've gave you guys. Nice time. Have a nice January 2026. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.